Well, there definitely seems to be a hum here in this active subwoofer plate amp. They call these things a plate amp when the amp is mounted to plate for the back of a subwoofer. So I got a 90-degree fluke plug scope cable plugged in, and it's not quite a driver for a subwoofer, but it is a speaker, 8 ohm Kenwood speaker. But when I turn this baby on, see the lights flicker, which means it's charging up the capacitors. And then, there you go, there is a hum. Just like Rick said. So, that sounds more like 120 hertz. It actually sounds like an unshielded audio cable, or what they call unbalanced line hum. You'd get that from a guitar amp or something like that. So, got to figure out where that's coming from. What I will do, if I can safely do this, is unplug. This is the Class D amplifier. It is a switching amplifier. There's also a switching power supply in front of it. So, and this is a speaker output, a driver output, as they call in audio terms. Let me unplug this ribbon cable and see what happens here. Come on, Iffy. Yeah, see, it goes away. So, which means, which tells me it's not coming from the amp. It's coming from, this is the servo drive board servo controller. I don't have the speaker servos connected up. This is just a crossover deal. The inputs come in here, both low level, line level, and then speaker outputs crossover, and it looks like it feeds the audio to the control board here. So what I could do is hook this back up and disconnect the input crossover board. I suspect the hum is coming from here. There is an analog linear power supply here, so, but that doesn't sound quite like 160 or 60 hertz hum. Look how tight that damn cable is. Maybe 120 hertz, which you would get with a full wave bridge. Here, I may have to put the phone down. Oh boy, so I can see this here. I got my readers on. Okay, am I in here right? Wow, yeah, this is so tight here. Yeah, forevermore. There we go. I don't hear them. There. It comes after a delayed time, some sort of a delay. Maybe it's the op amps. I don't believe there's any DSP going on here. We could try to disconnect. Oh. It's getting some pickup here. Maybe it's just normal pickup. Well, that's funny. That's pretty power supply sounding, but that's weird. Why they have so much wire coiled up here, I don't know. Maybe for other installations where this servo controller board is away from this crossover board or something like that. But yeah, that sounds like microphone pickup. So I have something to troubleshoot here. This is a switcher, Class D, which means there's a triangle wave generator. I don't know where that is in here. And then analog input usually comes in. It's kind of a weird way to run analog through a ribbon cable if it's audio, but if it is subwoofer, then it's not